What's up, guys? Kyle here with Crypto Theory. All right. We've got one thing on our mind and one thing only. We want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin right now, okay? It's been a little while since we talked Bitcoin. Honestly, not a whole lot of good news to be able to talk about with you guys, and nobody likes to watch the videos where it's bad news. So we've got some stuff right here that is interesting, though, that I want to kind of cover and talk about a little bit because could it be bullish for Bitcoin? You guys know me, not professional financial advice. This never is. However, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still bullish on crypto as a whole going into the the later parts of the summer and into the fall time. A lot of people saying, oh, it's the end of the bull run and all that. Hey, nobody truly knows 100% where it's going. Anybody that tells you that they know exactly where it's going is probably full of it. But I'm still bullish on it, both long term and short term. And if that status changes, we will let you know. But as of right now, you can see right here, right off from Cointelegraph, Bitcoin hits 35K after Biden reveals infrastructure deal. Paraguay also proposing Bitcoin bill. Now, very, very interesting right here. So you can see it briefly traded above 35K, which it seems crazy, doesn't it? Like, it still, to me, seems very just shocking, that we were, a month and a half ago, whatever, we were at, 65K. So definitely crazy, but you know what? Hey, we can get back there. I really believe we can. Not professional advice, but I believe that we can. So you can see it traded above 35,000 as the stock market hit new highs, and Paraguay aimed to become the second country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Okay, so very bullish in terms of the whole Paraguay thing right there. I mean, is it the largest country out there? No. Is it the one that would come to your mind as the first one that you want to have this happen? No. But you know what, guys? This is mass adoption happening in front of us, okay? This is mass adoption rolling out right in front of us if this happens and they become the second one to adopt that as a legal tender. That would be massively important. Let me get that off the screen right there, too. Sorry, that was annoying. So it received a boost as the news that lawmakers in Paraguay plan to present a bill to make Bitcoin legal tender spread across Twitter. Shortly after the unconfirmed news on Twitter, Bitcoin price rallied to just over 35,000 basically before slightly pulling back below the key short-term resistance level. Okay, so again, is this actually what's going on? It does look like it's been unconfirmed, so who knows at this point, but if it does end up being confirmed, that could end up being very, very bullish in general. And then obviously, again, it talks about up there Biden revealing the infrastructure plan. So you can see crypto market wasn't the only market to rally today. Traditional markets also rose to new highs after U.S. President Joe Biden revealed that he had reached an agreement on a $953 billion bipartisan infrastructure spending plan with the Senate. Okay, following the announcement, S&P 500 and NASDAQ each rallied to new record intraday highs and closed the day up almost 25 points and 98 points respectively, while the Dow gained more than 322 points on the day. Okay, so as you guys can see, I mean, a lot of bullish news right there surrounding Bitcoin. Now, it seems like it's been a flood of just bad news, right? I mean, to me at least, it seems like it's just been a flood of bad news lately. Everybody, the market sentiment around crypto is always so funny because when things are bullish, and guys, we notice that when it comes to the engagement and stuff like that on anything that we post, whether it's videos or anything on social media. I mean, the sentiment around the space is absolutely either things are great, it's going to the moon, or we are like doom and gloom and it's terrible. Okay, so we're trying to keep you guys apprised of everything that we've got going on, everything that we see and everything. We're only going to be covering certain things because quite frankly, there's not a lot that you guys are interested in listening to when we're doing this. We'll keep you guys posted on what we're doing, coins that we're looking at, stuff like that, any type of interesting news and everything, and kind of keep you guys in the loop on what's going on with that. But you can see right there some different ones right there that are rallying. Ethereum, you guys know our thoughts on Ethereum. We love Ethereum. Rally back above the important $2,000 level. Tron's okay, take it or leave it. Celo, we've talked about on here. We like that project. Appears to be driven by the listings of its Celo Euro stablecoin on KuCoin. Okay, so some bullish news surrounding crypto in general. in a time when, honestly, a lot of news has been very, very bearish. Some bullish news is a welcome sign. Will that be enough to get us going in the right direction and get that bullish momentum coming back? Only time will tell. And guys, like I said, anybody that tells you any different and thinks that they absolutely have it all figured out, there's nobody that predicted what happened would happen, and nobody knows 100% right now what's going on. I'm bullish long term on Bitcoin and in the short term. We'll play it by ear. We'll take a look and see, and we'll always keep you guys posted on what we've got going on. So with that being said, guys, that's all we've got for this one right here. Let us know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on this news right here? Is it bullish ultimately for Bitcoin and the rest of crypto? And let us know your thoughts. Guys, that's all we've got. We'll catch you in the next one.